Most welcome, my friend, in our channel. We are back, our microbiology notes online sections. Let's start. Yesterday we finished the cytochromes, cytoplasm, nuclear membranes, and spore formations. Now we are bacterial reproduction and growth kinetics. Here we started one by one step in each slides. Multiplication and cell division is the first steps. Bacterial cells multiply by the binary fission. This is one of the major step by the division of the cells in bacteria, or they want to increase their population numbers only by the binary fission process. When the condition, situation and temperature are favorable, the bacteria divide every hours. Means each individual cells increase in size until it's large enough to divide into two identical cells. These identical cells are capable to grow and reproduce. When these cells are there divided and they have enough quantity of the nutrients and all major components inside the cells are for growth and their reproduction cycles. While each daughter cell automatically contains the mRNA, rRNA, ribosomes, all enzymes required for growth, cytochromes from the mother cells. That means all these cells who are going to binary fission process, a division process, they need to collect all informations that require for the capability of the growth and reproduction in the next generations from the bacterial cells. So this is the one of the major steps they need all the cells during their binary fission process. Let's in the next point, how DNA replicates. The DNA replication process in the bacterial chromosomes, which is a circular, double stranded DNA is present in the bacteria and they are circular and attached with the cytoplasmic membrane. Already yesterday I told there is a mesosomes present in the bacterial cells inside the plasma membranes. There is some circular where these chromosomes get attached and become uncoiled, that is single stranded for the process going for replications. The process of replication needs a fixed rate depending upon the temperature. This is the major point. External things need for the bacterial replication temperature. Either a high temperature or low temperature, the very replication process will be affected. Therefore, time taken and copy number of each entire chromosome depending upon number of base pair present and growth temperature. If the temperature is favorable like 36-37 degree, then it will go for 45 minutes for the replication of the DNA. Is in example Escherichia coli. So only not nutrients and replication number of chromosomes, it's also depending upon the growth temperature, the present temperature during that type of the cycle was going on. So many important things are need for the DNA replication in the bacterial cells, and also in eukaryotic cells you already noted down. Everywhere the temperature is play major roles. This copy of the chromosomes must be segregated in opposite direction sides. Cells with cell divisions. Cell divisions occur differently in both gram positive negative. This is the one of the major step you can understand. There is a chromosomal cell division in both cycles, both bacterial strains, either gram positive, gram negative, they are different. Cell division, how they differ? Gram positive cells have rigid cell walls because of there is a present teichoic acid and other biochemicals that require for the making cells become tight, rigid as compared to gram negative cell, where the lipid concentration are more as compared to gram positive. So their cell divisions, when the formation of the cells are also, cell division also is differ from the gram positive to gram negative. Construction, crash wall formation is taking 15 minutes for this process and complete the process of this. In gram negative cell do not require the rigid cell wall, do not have the residue wall. So the process of construction in the membranes by the fusion process. So because of the fusion process they take the times to making another cells. So it's different from the gram positive, gram negative bacteria. Let's make another slides where we are studying the DNA replication, chromosome segregations. Chromosome segregation, the phase is C phases, and cell division, there are two steps in the bacteria. First they go for the separation of the chromosomes, segregations, where it becomes a double to a single stranded phase. Then replication process, this process is called C phases, and after then when the cell are enough to divide, this is called cell division. The D phases occur sequentially by slow growing step process, one by one step process going, and take 1 hour if everything is favorable condition, that is temperatures and required nutrients are present. So this temperature, this time is only 1 hour. Cells are capable replicate faster once they are started. If they are started one, and next 3 4 5 they are becomes more frequently as compared to first step of the replication times. Thus partially replication chromosomes become segregated into newly formed DNA cells, the daughter cells. It's all totally depend upon the cells temperature, weather, and all the situation condition, nutrient conditions also there.